Lesson 4, Level 3. Customs. Greetings. Leave-takings. To shake hands. As much as. To extend. Another. However. Because of. To meet. Met. Both. Cheek. Introductions. Age. Friendly. To meet. Embrace. Uncle. Aunt. Nephew. Niece. On the other hand. Even. Neither, nor. To shake hands. Father-in-law. Mother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Sister-in-law. Stepfather. Stepmother. Stamp. Alike. To bow. To greet. Greetings. Leave-taking. Introduction. Greetings. Leave-takings. The customs are different in every country. For example, the people in North America do not shake hands as much as the people in Latin America. In introductions, a woman sometimes extends her hand to a man or to another woman. But this is not necessary. Point 2. Men, however, always shake hands and stand up. Women stand up only to show a special respect to another person because of age. People in North America are friendly, but their greetings and leave-takings are short and informal. When two friends meet or when they say goodbye, they sometimes shake hands, and sometimes not. They don't embrace. This custom is different from that of Latin Americans. Latin American people usually say goodbye with a kiss and embrace. In France, for example, when two people meet, they usually kiss both cheeks. On the other hand, in some countries like in Russia, people even kiss in the mouth when they meet. In Japan, people have different ways of greeting. They neither shake hands nor kiss. They just bow their bodies to indicate respect. Reading. Bolivar makes a solemn promise. 1873 was an important year in both America. The peace treaty that ended the Revolutionary War in North America was in 1783. The 13 English colonies now were free. In the same year, an important event took place. In the city of Caracas, Venezuela, Simon Bolivar was born. The parents of Bolivar were few good schools in South America. Wealthy families often hired teachers, called tutors, for their children. Simon Rodriguez was his tutor. Together, they went through Europe. Suddenly Bolivar said, "My people must not suffer under Spanish rule." So, he promised to his friends to fight until to see his people free.
Answer these questions. Number 1. Where was Bolivar born? Number 2. When was he born? Number 3. Was Simon Bolivar very poor? Number 4. Who was his tutor? Number 5. What did he promise? Number 6. Did he see his people free? Number 7. Do you respect Simon Bolivar? Exercise. Ask a polite question for the situation. Follow the example. You are eating in a restaurant. Could you please bring me the menu? Number 1. You need to phone someone. Number 2. You are at home. You are hungry. Number 3. You are in a bookstore. Number 4. You are in a disco. Number 5. You are at school. Number 6. You are in a gas station. Number 7. You are at the university. Answer these questions. Number 1. Are the customs alike in all the countries? Number 2. Do people in North America always shake hands? Number 3. When do women stand up in introductions? Number 4. Do people in your country shake hands? Number 5. How do people in France greet? Number 6. How do people in Japan greet? Number 7. How people in Russia greet? Number 8. How do people in your country greet?
Exercise. Answer the questions use. 2. 4. Because. What are you studying English for? What are you listening to the radio for? What are you waiting for? What do people go to the bank for? What do people go to the beach for? What do students go to school for? What do people go to the library for? What do people have a phone for? Simple grammar. How long does it take? 2. 4. Because. Possessive case. My mother's name. My father's brother. Expressive to learn. How much longer? I will never forget it. Let's make a Dutch treatment. Let's bury the hatchet. You put your foot on it. Sometime to remember. Thanks for the flattery.